Why do you like SB19 so much?
Walang gumalaw kahit isa. Everyone just stood there, watching it burn. What's up, 18? So, eto na nga mga Kaps. Malala na ba ang PCD, mga Kaps? Pero ako, alam mo yung feeling na kagabi, parang hindi pa rin ako makauwi mentally. Kasi that teaser, parang hindi lang siya simpleng see you next era, di ba? Parang may iniwang tanong sa atin na, are you ready to let go of what you thought this was? Unang-una yung Phoenix, mga Caps. Kasi parang hindi lang siya about babangon ulit. Mas malalim siya dun eh. It's more like kailangan may version of you na matatapos para may bagong version na mabuo. And then, nandun yung damn tree, di ba mga Caps? Usually, di ba, it means growth, life. So, pwedeng yung tree na yon is their past era, their identity so far, or even everything that shaped them. And then napansin ko mga Caps, yung paligid. Half sunset, daylight, half night sky with stars. Ang ganda ng symbolism na yun, no? Pero parang ang bigat ng meaning. It felt like a moment in between. Hindi na sila kung sino sila dati. Pero hindi pa rin fully kung sino sila magiging next. Parang nasa gitna pa sila ng transition. Then yung mga tao, mga Caps, they were just standing, watching. Hindi sila nagpapanik, walang takbuhan. And SB19, nandun din sila. Kasama sila sa crowd. And that really hit me. Kasi it shows na they are not above the change. Then yung pinaka-powerful visual for me, each member appearing in the eyes of the Phoenix. Parang sinasabi nila, hindi lang sila part ng transformation. Sila mismo yung transformation. Kung ano yung mangyayari next, it's going to come from them. Not from the outside pressure, not from the expectations, but from who they are becoming. And then, the fire started when the Phoenix touches the damn tree. Biglang nasunog, di ba mga Caps? Pero hindi siya mukhang destruction for me. Mukha siyang intentional talaga. Like letting go. And what made it heavier, walang gumalaw kahit isa. Everyone just stood there, watching it burn. And that kind of stillness, feeling ko hindi naman siya takot. Acceptance yun. Parang alam nila, this has to happen. Then after everything, the tree became bare. As in wala. Branches na lang. So, anong matitira? Doon mo makikita kung sino ka talaga. Pero hindi naman nagtatapos doon, mga Caps. Real growth doesn't depend on how things look. It depends on what's still alive underneath. Then one fruit fell. Instead of ending it there, it became a seed, then a sprout. Mga Caps, grabe no? Some things are meant to fall para mag-grow somewhere else. And then, yung final word, mga Caps, yung wakas. For me, hindi siya tunog ending talaga. It's more like, tapos na to kasi may malaking susunod. Wakas ng familiar version ng SB19. Pero hindi wakas ng story nila. And if kung ganito nila tinatapos yung era na to, then, whatever comes next, hindi na lang to basta next chapter eh. It's a completely different story. And honestly, nakaka-excite yun mga Caps. Parang ready na ako makita yung era na yun. Yun lang mga Caps, bye-bye.
Why do you like SB19 so much?
It's hard to explain. I like their music.
Yes.
And they're cute.
I thought it was the SIP card.
No. I got it. Someone gave it to me. That's the SB19 logo.
Light it up, light it up.
And that's
Oh, I didn't even know it had his name on it.
because I love Pablo.
Yes.
Suotin ko ulit si Ken. Yay!
Hindi na natin kaya pumila dyan. Guys, coffee. Ticket check. Dalawa. It's 4 p.m. Guys, may... And... Thank you so much, guys. Tingin. Sabi ko. I got you.
Nananawagan po kami, Justin for Josh.
Justin for Josh po.
Yo! Wow! Or 17. Baby, I want you. Sino bang may tenga sa mga bulong ko? Hanggang sa pagtanda namin, though matatanda na kami rin. I mean, may itatanda pa kami. At may mga matatandaan pa kami sa mga susunod na journeys namin together. Tama? Sana makatulog.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.